Hello everyone, welcome to the chapter 4. Now you know how to find the keywords, what are the long tail keywords, how to use the variations, how to use the synonyms. Now the most important part comes here. What are the top tools to find those keywords? What are the tools to find the content ideas which you are going to include in your content marketing strategy? I am going to talk about two main tools. One is SEMrush topic research. In SEMrush topic research, it's a free tool. You can use it. You can do the research of the content. For example, I have done a research on content marketing strategy. This was my topic. When I entered this topic, I find a lot of content ideas. If you see on the screen, what is content strategy, types of content strategy, tips for the content for social media, I can get a ton of ideas generated with this research, and this tool going to help you too. I am going to share a live demo of this tool with you. Yes, look at here. This is the dashboard of SEMrush. You can find this topic here. In the left hand side, you can find the topic research tab. In this tab, you will be able to find a text box. When I edit a content strategy keyword here, you see, I can get a ton of ideas here. Look at it. Search engine related, digital marketing related, social media related. Pay attention. Email marketing, long-term content strategy. They are giving me a lot of ideas which I can use for my content strategy. Now you can find any other keywords which is relevant to your industry, your business. Alright, if you look at the see more, you will see what all the headlines people using, what type of questions are searched in Google for particular keyword which you are looking for. Alright, look at it here. Content marketing made simple, step-by-step guide. And in this site, you can find the questions related to content marketing. Now you have a ton of content ideas. What kind of content you should write, what is already ranking, and you know what all the top keywords you have in the mind, which we have done in our previous session. Okay, this is one tool which will help you find amazing content ideas, examples, recent research. You can find anything. You can change your location here, like if you are offering some services which is relevant to US or UK or Canada, or it's bound to location, you can find the keywords which is working well in your region. You can just add your region here. Okay, and you can add the competitors domain as well. If you want to find the content ideas which is working for your top competitors, then you have to put domain name here, and then when you click on get the idea, you will get a ton of other content which is working for your potential competitors, and that will work for you too if you follow all these steps. Alright, now we will talk about, and the second tool is HubSpot Blog Ideas Generator. This is a very cool user-friendly tool. You don't need to put your brains. You just have to put your keywords which you have listed in your previous session. Alright, for example, let me add content marketing. Then I will add content marketing ideas, content marketing strategy. You can add so many keywords here, and then you just click on give me blog ideas. Now here it is, content marketing expectation versus reality. How amazing is that? You can get a different perspective. You don't need to write up very plain content. You have to make it very interesting for your readers, and you can see they have a lot of content blog ideas for you for these same keywords which you have entered. Alright, look at it. Will content marketing ideas ever rule this world? The next big thing in content marketing strategy. Wow, this topic is really catchy and making it very curious to the audience, right? See, you are going to get some different perspective for same topics you have researched. You'll get a lot of ideas here. This week's top story about content marketing ideas. Guys, this is not it. They have a lot of tools. You can find BuzzSumo, you can find Feedly, you can find Pocket App, you can find Evernote. You can just find those ideas, collect it in one place, and then you can play around the titles. You can mix and match your content topics to make your keyword highlighted as well as add value to what people looking for, right? Awesome.